Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington. Hickville, USA as I love to call it. So welcome to my channel everybody. So this is June 2025's Paper Pumpkin alternative video number 34 guys. It's my last one for this kit. Yes, we are there. This is the finals, right? The final countdown has begun. Yes, it has. So with that being said, this kit was and is called Full of Charm. You could have made 3 of this card, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one, and nine identical envelopes. And those envelopes had turned out to be really, really fantastic in the end. I was so worried about those. What a challenge. So this QR code would have led you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as they were designed, all 9 cards. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we just kind of mosey along, and I no longer worry about moseying along after my zoo trip with the neighbor's kids, little Jess's niece and Hank. I'm very happy to just take my time. So this one down here leads you to this set of 4 dies called Hugs of Bloom dies. You can use them for anything and everything you want, but to purchase add-on dies for Paper Pumpkin, you do need to be a subscriber. The new set of dies are out and available. They are called Circle of Season dies. It's a set of 9 dies. They will coordinate with July, August, and September's Paper Pumpkin. This right here, this is what the stamps look like. So we have this branch, this leafy branch or floral branch, the thank you, which I successfully cut apart. We have the single leaf, the miss you, happy birthday to a wonderful friend, and let's celebrate you. So, and yes, you guessed it, I'm not using any of those. We are doing a really simple card. Now, I will tell you that I probably could have got another card had I not wanted to use the entire card base. Why did I? Because I can, and my other Paper Pumpkin has arrived. With that being said, I also have, hold on, I have these 3 pieces of ephemera that I'm going to keep, and I'm putting them in with my Charming Day stuff, because I'm going to do a whole month on the Charming Day suite. And these do go with that. So I'm keeping these because I just ended up not using them. When I went and looked through my box of goodies here, this is what I ended up finding. Oops, we have a sentiment strip. We will put that in there. This little bit I didn't use. Those can all go. And then the chipboard, oh, we have an envelope. Oh my gosh, I could, no. I guess we could use this instead of the white envelope. I did not know that was under there. Oh my goodness. So I guess I have an extra envelope. We will just keep it as what it is. So then I'm keeping this box. Christmas is around the corner. These make great, 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 great shirt boxes. So that's staying with me as well. But these are going to go with the Charming Day suite. I'm sure I will use those. They just didn't come in handy and dandy for me, so I didn't use them. Whew. So I have an extra envelope now. We will set that aside and I'll put it in the box. So I have an envelope. Who knew? So what am I using? I am using this card base. This is going to be a really easy little addition to this. We're using this ephemera. Now, I had done this and now I'm taking all of this away. I'm going to put this back in my little drawer here, and we're going to take this off because this was sitting here and I was like, I think I can use this. So I'm going to show you something I just thought of. We are going to fussy cut this apart because I want to separate the thank and you apart. So I am going to come in and I am just going to fussy cut around the thank. And then we're going to fussy cut around the U. And this, of course, is from that lovely, lovely, lovely embossing folder. Oh, there's that thinking of you. I was looking for that. Thoughtful Moments Hybrid Embossing folder. The lovely Lori sent me her very own. So I have it. And I do use it, and I have some that are prepped and ready to go. But this I had pulled out for a card, and we chose to use a different piece. And now I am using it in a different way. So now I have thank you split up so that I can separate it here at the top of the card, right there, and I can put the U down here so I can separate it. So that is something you can also do with that hybrid embossing folder. But what I want to do now is where did I do with them? Here's this, I don't know what that goes to, but that is not the one I want. I'm like, where is my peach? Oh, I know where the peach pie is. That's the one I want. I want the peach pie. Hold on. It's on a tray because it was going to be used. All right. I'm going to huff on this first. The reason being is because a lot of times we have so much ink on these sponge daubers that it holds a lot of ink. So I'm going to just breathe hot. Like if you wanted to fog up a mirror, that's what you do. So hot breath, and you can see there's some. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to add some more color to the rose. This is in peach pie. I don't want it too dark. I didn't re-ink it. I didn't even get out the ink color. Now I'm going to do it to this one as well. Just huffing on it again. You'd be surprised how much ink can be held in these. All right, so that's my peach pie. I'm going to put that back on my tray. Now I want to get my Lost Lagoon, which I'm not sure where exactly it is. There it is. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to breathe on this. Just adding more color. Now I want to show you what this one looks like before we add the color. Look at that gorgeous color we're adding. So this is before, right? We're going to add some color to that one as too. This is the Berry Burst. Now this one I want to be careful with because this is going to have a lot of ink as I recently used it. So, but I want to be careful about it. I don't want to go too dark. I knew it would hold a lot of ink because it was recently used. All right, now I want to get some Old Olive on here, or if you wanted to go really dark, this is Old Olive, you could do Mossy Meadow, but I'm just going to add some in there, some here. It's okay to go outside the lines. Now this one is early espresso, but I'm not really thinking, or this is early espresso apparently, but I'm going to use pecan pie. Because I don't want that dark. Okay, so that's what we've done. I will put back all of my sponge daubers here in a minute. Now we are going to add that back. I just like that it's a richer, darker color. That's all it is. And then the thank you, I think we can add a little bit more. Do I want to add a little? I'm not going to. I'm like, do I want to add some more Berry Burst to these? Just to deepen that color up some. You know, you can add ink, but you can't take it away. That's the problem. You can add it, but you can't erase it. All right. So we are going to start gluing this piece in place, and I'm going to look for my tweezers here. Trying to just get glue in as much as I can without it drying, and it's not super hot as it's the end of the day and the sun is setting, so I should be able to do this relatively quickly enough that oops, that piece needs to come out and be removed. I think that's good. I just think that looks, I like it so much better. So we have thank you, and we're going to get this one. Up here. Drawing in on the pink here. Could have done it in Calypso Coral, but this one was out and on my desk. It was saying, use me, I'm right here, use me, do not forget you have me out. I want to participate. And so it shall. So thank you, right? And then whatever embellishments you want to add to this, it's up to you. This is really simple, quick, and easy. And I'm trying to think that we could add a few berry burst butterflies from that 20. Oops, that's the that's the thanks. This is the you. We don't need those. We can use these little butterflies. And I think we will get the berry burst. Not that one. I gotta do a little turn of the table here. Now, I don't want to go full strength. I want to stamp them off. I want them to have a little bit lighter of a color. So full strength, yes. So this one. Then our wee little one, because remember I cut my butterfly. If you're wondering why I have 3, I cut mine apart, guys. Wasn't hard to do. I just snipped it, and if that bothers you, don't do it, but it doesn't bother me at all. There. So now we have 3 butterflies. We could do a couple more. I'm going to do the wee butterfly. The wee, not a wee bee, the wee butterfly. Right here. Yes, perfect. Now for the inside, we're going to stamp Thinking of You from, let me show you, it is the same stamp set. I've been using that Thinking of You like crazy. It's a great stamp, very versatile. That's full strength. And then we will stamp a wee little butterfly lightly and the full butterfly lightly. All right, and let's stamp our envelope now. Interesting. Haven't you had to use this? Thank you. Oh, we can use the wee thank you. We can use the wee one. Let's get a block. Nope. We're going to put this back together. It's not hard if you cut it apart. So you just do like that, right? And then pick it up. And you can stamp thank you, just like that. And like magic, it's right back together. There's one. We're going to do the little wee butterfly. And where's our sideways flying butterfly? There we go. And we should probably go ahead and stamp some on the back. Oh, let's stamp thank you again. Why? Because we can, of course. Why would we do that? Because we can. So we're going to stamp that one there. The wee little one right here. And the full butterfly. And now that I am all done with my paper pumpkin, guys, I am taking all of my blocks in for a nice clean. They need a scrub-a-dub-dub before the next kit comes in and gets opened. They need a nice scrubbing. My scissors need cleaning. My glass mat needs a little cleaning, which is really easy. But that is it. So I hope you guys like that simple change to this one. I mean, and surprisingly, we found a prize. We found an envelope underneath the chipboard. Wouldn't have guessed that would have been there, but it was. So I hope you guys like what I did, and I cannot wait to do the review. I cannot wait. Do I do it now or do I take a break? I don't know. I'm going to go see if dinner's ready first. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope that you come back here and visit me in my wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.